Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Delight, and I do lifestyle content mostly in the form of vlogs. I also do fashion content, which is Fashion Fridays, and I also do cooking content, travel content sometimes. And yeah, so thank you so much for joining this family. If that's your type of vibe, please consider hitting the subscribe button to become a part of the family. I am hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by October, which is my birthday month. So please hit the subscribe button to become a part of the family. And to all my returning subscribers, my besties, the original besties, thank you so much for always coming back for another vlog. And yeah, in the previous vlog, I showed you guys when I went for my sister's graduation, which was in Harare. And yeah, it was quite chaotic because she was only told a day before that she was also graduating this year, because initially they told you that she was graduating next year because of some issues and stuff. But yeah, I'm just glad that she graduated, and it was an amazing day, though it was quite stressful the day before to get everything together in less than 24 hours. But yeah, thank you so much guys for showing love to that vlog. And in this particular vlog, I'm going to take you guys along. The vlog, guys, I'm just going to take you along to our family get together, which we did in Checheche. We surprised my uncle and aunt in Checheche. So we did a family get together there. So I'm going to share clips of that. But before we get into that, I just want to show you guys some items that I got. I got these items in South Campus in Harare. I think it's the branch in Mbuya Nehanda, along Mbuya Nehanda. I don't know if it's Mbuya Nehanda and Bank Street or something, but it's along Mbuya Nehanda. That's why I got these items. I was trying to get some items for my sister's graduation, so that's when I went into South Campus. So the first thing that I got, I'm just going to show you the box. This is the box of the stand for my ring light. I got a ring light. That's the one that I'm currently using. And yeah. So this is the ring light that I got. I think I'm just going to show you B-roll or maybe a clip on the side so that you see how this one looks. So this is the ring light that I got. I've been telling people that I got this ring light for $10, but then I bumped into the receipts, it's actually $12, not 10. So thank you so much for my friends who are actually supporting my journey, and they got me this ring light. So thank you so much to my friends. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys some of the items that I got in South Campus. So I got this melting paint. This is the one that we used for my sister's installation. I think you already saw that in the previous vlog. If you watched the previous vlog, this was $1 for the melting band. And then I got those beauty blenders. It's the beauty blenders. They were for a pack of 4 for $1.50. So I already used this one to do my makeup for the graduation. And then because my sister had nails and I was hoping to get my nails done for the graduation, I got this big bottle of cuticle oil. I thought this was, initially I thought that this was $1 because that's the price tag that I saw on this, but it was actually $2. The dollar was for the smaller ones. It's the Bling Girl cuticle oil. And then I got, because I love this so much, I got 2 more headbands. This is the same color as the one that I had, but that one is finished. It's done because I was abusing it and using it every time. So I got 2 of these. They were $1.50 each. So this is $3. And these are the nails that I got that I was supposed to. Oh my god, it's not focusing. I'll try to insert a picture on the side. These are the nails that I initially wanted to use. So these are the nails. I got this for $1. I also got lashes, the brown lashes which I used for graduation day, and they were going for $1. So I got that also. I think lastly I got this. It's a foundation. It was 50 cents because they did have change. So I took this foundation. I don't know how this one is, and I feel like it's a shade lighter, but I'm just going to tell you guys how I feel about this. So this is basically what I got from Silk Canvas for the graduation and for my personal use. So yeah, let's get into the family get together video, and then I'll talk to you guys later. And I'm only recording this part because because I was supposed to record it before the graduation, but then things were a bit crazy, so that is why I'm attaching it to this particular vlog. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you hit the like button, you comment, you engage, and you also follow me on TikTok. My handle is, the link is in my bio, and my Instagram handle is this one. All my links are in my bio. So if you check my bio in my YouTube channel description, you're going to see the link to my Facebook, to my Instagram, to my TikTok, to all those accounts. So please do follow me, because I also do short form content on those platforms, and I'm trying to push those platforms to get more followers and stuff. So yeah, let's get into the vlog.
Mama, smile. Dawa uchangarini.
Washanda. Let us don't listen number plate so let me be strategic. Ndingayenzi lonto. Yeah. Ndagona kuivhara apa. Pekutanga yatadza uvharika. Mwe chintu zvichikuya kuno. Tora chi? Zoom along, like hi, let's hang. Somebody open.
Welcome to it's Hi Besties. Hi Besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Besties.
Jealousy.
Hi Besties, welcome to Delight's YouTube channel.
Don't forget to
graduate, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn off that notification. Turn on that notification bell
so that you know every time when we have a new upload. Graduated. This one in my lashes. Nails in the building.
Yes.
Yeah. Another
1 degree hotel.
Yeah.
That's my
and posters. Why not? Okay. Kana takamboimba nhema kazaire
Munoenda paRothman.
Varipo. Iziyoni paiya paRothman vai. I saw this area yesterday, which means N. Richards, Ikona, Naimi, as whatever. I said. Look at around. Ndo vari kuuya ime ndogara chimbozvitaurawo rakanzi chiiko bhodho rako rakanzi chii Furama ngutora necessary kukumba hamunoti jambwa sei ndoda kutora ya joka sintora izve mapikicha ari kumashure mina ndimbotora fiti ndozoita ningiri. Hi besties, thank you so much for watching this particular vlog. Thank you for liking, for commenting, for engaging, for sharing this video with your friends and your family. So thank you so much for watching this particular vlog. I hope you enjoy this type of content. I hope you actually come back for more of this type of videos. I love you so much guys, and see you on the next one.